mama ye ni nko adwuma nsano adwuma ho na be e de be boy because Ghana kra no se Ghana be pagya ye nsano adwuma cause unkuta nsano adwuma ye value more what I say
me ni G barbering shop ho pa nti me wo Ghana no me be a barbering shop Julie Juu haircut ba me workers na me fa wo no omo me kra afa de wi ase boy ba kokra de me nchen me shop ne nchen e na oja adwuma no ekobie bi wo me shop ne nchen pe
Life is proud to introduce Akwentipa, a policy designed for Ghanaians living abroad to ease the burden associated with planning and paying for funeral rites for family members in Ghana. When a loved one passes away, the planning and costs associated with burial can make a terrible event even worse. Akwentipa is here to ease the stress, keeping the pain and expenses to the barest minimum. Choose any of our 5 benefit plans and receive a cash payout up to $10,000 in as little as 3 days after the passing of a family member. Add the repatriation package, which allows the mortal remains of the policyholder and family members to be transported back home to Ghana upon their demise. You can also choose a service from Transitions, our funeral services subsidiary, at a discounted amount for the opportunity to celebrate the life of your loved one in dignity. For more information and to sign up, visit akwentupa.com. Enterprise, your advantage.
From Kofi, who from a Jack Quabranti and Magic. Online party, open set what the yeto, and I yeton, and I bought the Rudia. UK, and found to be a say, she said, Julie Juu online. One papa with the Ramo, na Aqua baby, unpairing up a day, Julie Juu. One it you.
And you are adorable. So call internet swan, and share baby as a Julie Juu TV. Keep watching Julie Juu TV.
Me nuanom ni adofo amhwe Julie Juu TV. Said ya brani abrenyi na ye ka no. Yesese wo hwe Julie Juu TV a. But modern subscribe to your channel no. Like it, share, nema comment. So yes I ye den. Emma ye more vim. Emma ye moral. Na boost ye immune system no. Ama brani abrenyi na. Ye nya hoden. Aye program foforo. E de abro amu enye bi ahwe. Me nuanom ni adofo. Ene ye too fan no. Eh funny about ye ba Milton Keynes. Ye wa Milton Keynes. Aye. Julie Juu de. Monim say ye program ne fa Milton Keynes na ye edebremu. If you say ye pese mo hu ye nuanom a e wo Milton Keynes e bra papa wo mo abo. Said ye omo ankasa tumi ebuebue wo mo ensa no adwuma. Ene shops ahodo. Ene ye wo Broughton. Ye wo menua be ma be a shop. Enti ye nsebre no ye be kwa ne nchen e bisa ne din. Na afei ye wi aye de nkomo no ato aso. Menua be ma ye ma wakwa baba Julie Juu TV so.
Yeah, mommy. Yeah, Enna.
Na mpacha odi de say.
But you're from Combination, but hand you be an Mr. Dodo Nan in George.
Oh, okay. Okay. Not just a fear in the combination. But Dodo na Fred with George. Unim said the entire na you be can see a pen and say Ghana dear. Obia wo fear di. Ghana obi ka so oboni fear di na. Tintin you. Because ubabo combination George na de be cross aka. So what I said the Ghana dear obia di wa. Me nua be ma. Na onsa no adwume me di kan bisa wo se osua ye wo Ghana ansa na wo ba abuchire ha ana se wo ba abuchire e na wo besua adwuma no
okay me da se bo me etiefo ya me nshira mo nyina am say meka say enye adwuma we yankasa na mesua ye
okay
ebra me wo Ghana mesua different work but at the same time so na be work na ni so kakra.
Okay.
Anti me too kwan ba ha say no. Yes me ba be a shop straight away.
Okay.
And then no me ye factory job. But me ye factory job no and at the same time na me ye there me yes barbering work no. What is
underground.
Underground.
Let's just say wo Ukoko bo obi kan e uko bo kakra warehouse mbo uko bo kakra na ofiri ho ba na we so wa bedan dem mu kakra
and South
okay
yeah you know me yes na me dia more experience what I say more experience no na ejuma factory na me ye no as a call from
oh okay
what I say factory ejuma na me ejuma no e call from and answer omo page ejuma no say den if you chrome has it
if you Milton Keynes ya
Milton Keynes call baby different and I'm saying no inside ejuma de
emu ni kwase ya obi ka
sa na tie men continue na me ye me ye na me course me ye na me ye na so in fact me ye different me ye ejuma wo different shops to gain more experience
okay
you know continue ya na yakopon adom me experience no na me de tell me ho you know that is a Ghana ejuma go see ejuma or master bench as
no
sa na tie na me so me de ba friends and Broughton has it
e baby e
be hade
mo why ade na mpacho babu chirache
kakra babu chirache kakra
bogesi wo krom I see why ade if you say nsano djuma we nsano adwuma sa na nya easy why ade na wo kan bebi say nya adwuma we ankasa na usua wo Ghana de adwuma na usua e
me das for me as a mission I car body works
okay chere me say yeah we say usua car body works that means o nya sure me pesa o ya sure
me sure pa mission car body works car panel beating
okay
come as an ye can
okay
I know na mission ye
eh inti say obi de sa adwuma ne bra obetima ye
metima ye pa
eh eni what say your pressure po be man na de no attach we you na obi e barbering shop we so no wo hwa eti say nkrofo ba be ye omuti o mbe yi omuti amanfo ba ha wo hwa eti say
yeah nkrofo ba especially our friends Ghanaians and Ghana for Nigerians in fact obia ba because it's open for obia friends obia to obia dey eba support business economy come on you know
when him say barbering shop me ho manage barbering shop ho pa me wo Ghana no me be a barbering shop Julie Juu haircut ba me workers na me fa wo no omo me kra ave de wi ase boy ba kokra de me nchen me shop ne nchen e na oja adwuma no ekobie bi wo me shop ne nchen pe
sa
me na me ka kire o free me shop ho no e na efie ru abi me nim ade a na ha fie ru ana so ni fie nchen pe me shop ni enchen pe e na efie ru ana so de ni fie animu ma no e na o de betare me de ho and I'm see ewurade ebi wo ho aya na me chese me tena se dwen ho amenti asese abrante ni timi nya akokoduro etumi yesa won se ebi wo ho aya na omo de omo live di agoropa me hwa ne say ya mfa me manfi no because the way na omo ye omo mamani tutu free say de ne manage barbering shop no ho because na manage ho me madwen say me bie barbering shop enunti abrochi akra manage hu senka metimi abie barbering shop so ade a nkrofo na wo Ghana no me workers na wo Ghana no e de ye mi nti no omo amamani nje Ghana kra wantimi mentimi an sustain wo barbering shop na kro ma de wo hwe be bi
betimi aye because ne ina na gina wo so because ejuma na wo bia ne say am say wo bia ejuma fofora ehia more time what I say and at the same time say wa wo hobby and just say bia we bi ejuma foforo ne nti no we bia wo dey show bi nsa na wa den wo akwa na nanti na wa den ba show mo later say wo gina ho say e busy o en busy o say den wo na at the same time wo mu a wo dey mo ye ejuma no say wo trust wo mo wow nti no me kano akosi wo dey na so because wo dey na wo kan say wo se wo bi a shop would show be inside
me de shine nsan me ko ho deputy o me first crowd na me ntan ko ho nti na problem ni ho because no otwi di nti na problem ni ho oh no otwi di but me ko ho no afa de enkrofo hu say onu hu say afa de me ba o me hu because na me di enkrofo di me din ne beyi and the oko when you still I'll be all me ko Julie Juu haircut akoyimiti me ko Julie Juu haircut nti na enkofo ba me shop ho sell more but won say obi wo ho a esan say boy na ayi na nti no o feel say wakobie shop de bi won chen kra mpo a obekọ ho ama na yi no nti na me ne boy no first na me nta nko ho ba do baby no na me ko ho because me de sa on say Ghana space to space ni ade e bi keka ho nti no na me wo fie ne me ne nka me kokotena tena ho nti afi ohun say me ba ye no me hu ni ntwum because enkofo be e do weekend a enkofo egu ho say TV so ni nti nkwala be ba ho obi aba say oba Julie Juu haircut be yi niti nti enipa be me fan say nipa be 20 na 30 ne be yi omuti a no de mu be 10 sika ama me nti ana me nko ho nti afi de me ko ho na ohun say afi de me ba ho o mi hu ne ekoso no nti na afi ompe eno na oye na adwen sa odi ye ya odi oni obi kasa ya o chese odi ko bi e shop de tare me de no ho pe
oh and
oh but o say nyankopon de nyame ompe body say yesu obi na ebo na nson wo eno ko bi e shop ne ma no de tare ho na odi kan nipa na ewi ase na omo ko na nse me na me mo wo obi bu wa na menyo anyway yambra back to ye nkomo aye die no so so obi pese obe yi ni ti a wo the appointment ena obi the appointment na eba and say nipa no walk in na ube you know
oh yeah walk in open walk in first and so na make say me appointment but appointment na ya the friends and a bit of create a bit of issues
because obi appointment no nuru ha sa appointment no obi so abada obi we say oyi na
sanity obi betimi aba betena bia 1 hour
okay
and I said 30 minutes obi walk inside and oba betena from no as I say customer no on kwa ne bibofu kwa obetimi aka say o ko on ma biem
sanity
intendo to I me cut everything short abema obi ani age no walk in wo ba na ya de you wo ba na you sanity
Samuel Milton Keynes for mini can be so and we answer na makoba bia meko no o shop ni din the same
friend G Barbers
Milton Keynes for Bedford Leighton Buzzard London baby biala wo enye Northampton Williambra enye se Milton Keynes for Broughton for nkwa na wo so mu yitiro baby a wo bia wo betumi de car aba be yuti enti me Julie Juu de me senka ya me panka bo modern a faka braha to car ma bra G Barbers na be yuti because me bae no na wo yitire na tire bi awe yi no e na me hu say me nua be ma no wo sua adwuma na nsa no so bo okay yan to aso enti na je say obi a work in na oba o qualify okay so obi be say obi sua adwuma nso eno so e kwanda ho say obeba be sua adwuma na
oh yeah betimi but ni na na gina friends nipa ne so what does here how serious are nipa ne ti oh yeah opese o sua adwuma no because obi o ha abeka say opese o sua adwuma but at the end of the so ba na ati say I baby basa na nani nje ho na ida wasanko so what does here
e bi sa to da na
oh e de bi ato yenda pa
okay nipa ne bae no ana ofin say wo kire na adwuma na wo hwa na onye interested
sa
Chrome has a no no em say obae no ohwe wo sua adwuma na o dey calculating the warehouse nka warehouse ka ma dis say me yes say so what you say but onim say o sua adwuma no so a ye ne profit ni sa no adwuma obedidi ho forever
I was say sa na I was say me fan say bibi me ka say bibi fu ana say bibi because I was a who sua adwuma I say hu no ho say adwuma wo ka kosua no enya de a begin no benya se get free mu
there be
because wo ka kosua da che wo so wo de abobra bon enti sa na tente no say wo de sika say bia me kwa kosua adwuma na yetua oka every week and every month and de
na be tua oka obi adu say wo kosua adwuma ye ntua oka
sa na tie but wo yire ho wie a then na why that we de ho de what I say
na eti no ye nkwa na wo yi wa ha mini kan ko ni say wuyi ema tika mema tini ho ana se bia maba Julie Juu pese me twa sweat ana pese me twa punk ana pe me nipa no pese wuyi style e wo pe me no ho ma no oho ema ti ye ana kwala bi obi de ne ba opese wuyi ni tima no eno so wo ye
but ye ni na
ye
mba ne mba mai na ye ni na
okay
nkurase ye omo kama.
Okay. Na eno so nkwa na wo ye wa ha na se bia obi pese obebo ni ti a wo obi a oba bi pese obebo ni ti a obi betumi aba obetumi ni na arrange ababo amana na wo obi sa wa ha.
Oh yeah mpacha ya obi a oba bi on so de oboti kama pa cornrow ni sa weave on ni na wa de
weave on cornrow twist
rasta ni na onimiye but as a we book
no the
appointment
okay
obetimi nipa no betimi afrase me so
okay
na ebia mama nipa na ayeden na so ate
okay
ebia sa metimi kra magi be nipa na ma no kwa ayeden
amma no nipa na akasa no na fix appointment good news any Milton Keynes for said the medical aka no nya Milton Keynes hanko a bro no am bibo odi no ai opese oye utia if you want to do your hair ladies we have somebody here who can do weave on for you rasta cornrow name them anything about women hair
as you tell me na when you na better tell kama
okay he have a lady here who can do it perfectly for you
right.
So if you want to do your hair ladies just call my brother and you talk to the lady for your appointment okay say obi pese oba ha say ya me pese wo de wo chi kwan etudwa for telephone the can for address etudwa afi na do telephone number aka ho
that's mommy I say higher 97 Tanfield Lane yeah Broughton MK10 9NJ
okay so should be
97 Tanfield Lane Broughton MK10 9NJ.
Okay, with telephone number.
I think his telephone number is 07810891136. 07810891136.
Okay. Milton Keynes for any other people na make no. Me you be man say opese wo you tia just pop by no appointment. Just pop by. He will just cut your hair perfectly for you. He don't need any appointment before you can pop here to do your hair. So please, come here with no appointment to cut your hair. Please, all men and women who want to cut their hair. Okay.
Me customer. I say, I have say no. I say before I walk into a friend's
shop. It's not easy.
We make appointment.
Yes.
And I mean, a lot of barber shop. I mean, me check. You know, there's a lot of them appointment. They've been more inside that. Or maybe some say, is it for appointment? So it's walking. So that's correct. You know, walking. I think say, but in bribi or it don't bribi so. And there's a beer. Whoop emergency. Ebia me pen tema ko baby me wo
emergency
we
book me can provoke akra man I want you know what I want my brother say because it's not only Ghanaians pop here to do their hair. I just want him to explain it how you can just pop in because a lot of shops here barbering shops you can't walk in. You just need a appointment before you can go and see the boss himself. So I just want I want him to explain it to people so that when you are coming here to cut your hair, you know that you can just pop in to cut your hair without appointment. Okay.
Oh, thank you very much, viewers. Wherever you are, God bless you. This is walking. It's walking. So you can just walk in and get your hair cut and just, you go. That's it. And also, if you want to actually book an appointment, maybe an emergency appointment or something like that, also, you can call and we'll see how we can arrange it for you. You know, that's it. So, God bless you all.
Okay. Yeah. I don't for ya da munyina ase. Yeguso aja ye ne nua be ma twetwe nkomo. Azie wo fia, azie papa wo fia. Me nua be ma. Chia wadofo ne enko
God bless you all. Oh, Yankopon shira mo ina, especially Ghanaians. Baby am obi Yankopon shira mo wate. Na de bia so mo e won say ade ba kwan de bia me kan say with God all things are possible. What I say?
With the unim. Me person chia wadofo na ma me nka bibi. Me person tu nkrofo fo ansa no wa ba chia wadofo.
Oh.
Me person won say nkrofo bebre mpa adwumasua. Nkrofo bebre mpa adwumasua. Me person wo advice nkrofo. Wo mo wo abruchi ha, wo mo wo fia, wo person wo ba abruchi. Advice yo mo wo say ukita won sanu adwuma because you know this country this time they even government want a lot of people who they have their own skills, you understand. So I just want you to explain it to Ghana for mo ba ha say ne wo mo a omo ewo mu dada said ye unya won sanu adwuma eye na beboa wo afa.
That's it. It's here for Yankopon shira. God bless you all. I say adwumasua ya de eye. Because sabi obi o ha if you sikeni ho.
That's right.
Sabi a awofo no omne be ko school.
Yeah.
Abeye lawyer na abeye judge. Na friends ni pastor de Yankopon the skill adom achade asese so bia mu.
Sanity.
Nti no me advice amede ma me nuanom a omo outside omo Ghana baby a obia sa we tuntumo we yakọ woti ya be boys ye kan ko ade a woti ya kasa ko ade a edwumasua ya de ye papa enti no ekroma so ebinimo ba ha sei na me yi omo a nkasa G I wish sanka mesua adwuma na so ye mpa ho
it's not too late.
It's not too late. Edwuma bia o pesa wo sua bia no obetime sia ekroma hasan no mfa nse bia wo de ho si wa bia 1 year 2 years obetime adan esua why because in confo ba ya more advice mo kokoye the same thing mo adan asedane ade eba enti edwuma sua ye papa ba bia sabe wan ko school na se o pesa wo sua edwuma akwan ya ho your mason your I mean a lot of jobs enti no wa wo sua na Yankopon ya adom na se unya kwan ye bi na wo ba brochira wo ba beboa wa kasa because kroma ase no nia me hu se mommy insan adwuma na yade cheche o manwe wo ko friends in Dubai ni ade friends in China ni na Japan wo mi na insan adwuma ti wo tu kwan na se wo insan adwuma e boa pa
sanity
nti no mesra mo se mama ye ni nko adwuma insan adwuma ho na be e de beboa because Ghana kra no se Ghana be pagya ye insan adwuma cause unkuta insan adwuma ye value more what I say
insan adwuma nya enka krom ha say covid ba ya government me mankrofo sika no se nka on so adwuma ye for mom kita on insan adwuma asne enso oboa ye me boa that means insan adwuma ye e was a man for so afi bisa wadofo no chia wo mun ye nko
madofo Yankopon chira mo nyina Yankopon onye mabisa de adam akoma si na emamo because me papa manka simfo swedro obia in fact Yankopon chira mo nyina
any customers nyina
any customers obia mo obia so Yankopon ya de chira mo nyina amen
yo menu aba ma wiaja me so me ne den moni pa Julie Juu me so me de beto aso me so me da madofo ase me chia madofo mahwefo no metiefo Julie Juu hwefo ne etiefo ye da mase bebre mo nkoso ahwe Julie Juu TV na mo hwe so a mo share mo like na mo wi a mo ma comment yes mo yesa e ma ye mo vim e ma ye mora na boost ye immune system ama brani nyina ye nya hoden aye program foforo e de abremo me ma me akwiedonko o vice president 2024 I was second vice me se me chia ma me enye no me chia madofo nyina anointed lady Joy Daddy mu nyina me chia mo Dr. Kwadwa Yisi me chia mu nyina me chia obi biara odo Julie Juu TV. Julie Juu TV so edo obi biara. Ye ma ye remfi se ye bekwa ye ne womo maso yasene ebebo nkomo. Ye ba ko amehu a na mani ajepa eya kwantupa. Se de kwantupa ba ye omo aye omo adwen se omo beboa ya ma ye kwantu a yetu aba abruchire. Any African countries nyina so yembrengu kwenti no eno nte no de akwantupa life insurance aba se omo de ba be so yasene se de ye toka eye insurance maka no na ka akokonya accident a insurance ne tofoforo edisi anamu no sa na akwantupa se omo so so omo boawo na se woni omo edidwa se atoje nchem bia eto wana mpofiri mu wo bia eto wa akwantumu a omo abeba akwantumu aba befa wufunu ede wakwa akoma webusuafo ama omo asi odisika taatu ama omo asi ade aya na awe ho ne se ye wa akwantumu ye wu a aya na ya sema emobo obehu a obi kra mo amonim ebi kra krata kra na bi mo ho eba ne saa na ye jafunu ne de wa ma cancel so ofa wo ye de wo ko hwufunu na wabusuafo enhu wufunu enti esremo obi amomodin so ni akwantupa life insurance ebedidwa obetimi aye bia ma wo maame unuanu mo Ghana wo dependent bia wo pese ofre wo mo a number no eye 02065981119 me sesubim akwantupa life insurance omo telephone number eye 02065981119 bomodi afre wo mo enchechemu bia no ubenya afri ho omo wo WhatsApp enti o contact yo mo a enye den kra ye mpanimfo a etutu kwan ba abrochire ebe hwe wo mo yade a wo mo antimi an survive a wo mo je mu akwantuom no akwantupa na befa wo mo frundi yo mo ko Ghana ekomo mo abusuafo enti bomodi an se woni akwantupa life insurance ai wonso so obeye wo mo product a in case sato yenchem bia to a ana wo maame bi wonua bi obi bia wo Ghana efi a wo mo beboa wo enya akwantuom fo nko ano mo boa wo mo wo nipa wo Ghana nso so no wo ye bi ma wo mo na otua wa ha o mo asamto o maame e wo Ghana akwantupa ebeboa wo ye damase bebre Julie Juu TV menua be ma wo bibi ka biemu ana wawie
oh mama me ne
bibi ekwanda ho wo bibi ka eye ude wotumi kasa wawie
wawie
ayo ene na haya na Julie Juu TV ye di mu besi enti anuanom obi a mo ma ba papa mo ba ba ye mo ma ba